Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. If you have imported file like this and want to convert it back to a regular file, don't be confused. Just do like this. Go to imported feature, go to feature works, click recognize features. Now you have a recognize parameter. Choose recognize mode is automatic and choose feature type is standard. For automatic feature, just click what you need and after that click OK. Just waiting. Just wait the process. See? See? You still have imported feature. Just do it again. Right click imported file feature. Go to feature works. Click recognize features. Just waiting. And click OK again. See? Now you have the regular feature. See? Now you know how to use Reconize feature. That is a quick tips. See ya!